You can win this R35 GTR and $5,000 cash. We just launched some new merch. We've got carbon fiber shift knobs, and we've also got lots of other merch. Every $5 you spend at 5-3 Supply gets you one chance into winning this R35 GTR. Happy shopping and good luck. You're gonna be really comfy. All right, Jeryn, open her up. Merry Christmas. Hey, it's like basically your birthday, so this is like birthday presents.
What do I start with?
Well, I don't know. What do you do?
Gives me a gift.
Okay, well, here you go. I'm your mom, and you don't need the knife. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and just gonna go over here. Nice. What is that? What did Santa give you? Yeah, it's called?
No.
Called a ball joint. Isn't that so fun? Like that's gonna go in the spindle. Here you go. No, that's the next one. Yep. Isn't this a great Christmas? You get to open up parts, car parts.
This is exactly what I want.
You know what that is?
No, why does
that is a tie rod.
Why does it already have stuff on it?
Because it's neat. It has to be lubricated.
It came already stinky.
All right, what's next?
Tie rod end.
Yeah, look at that.
I knew that.
Tie rod end. Check it out. Merry Christmas. You got a tie rod end.
It looks like a bird.
Imagine being a child and opening up a box and it says tie rod end.
This is me and I'm saying it's a bird.
You got 2 more big boxes. You got 2 more Christmas presents.
I really want to know this one's backstory.
Why did it get so janked up?
I really want to know how it got to that point.
Okay, hold on. There's little flaps here. There you go, like that. There you go. Oh, sparkly. See, that's a little nicer than the last 3 you've gotten.
I like the sparkles on it.
No, so those are adjustable upper control arms. So that, you know that bent to hell thing I had to cut up? That's this. But this is much nicer.
This is so much more bougie.
Yeah, it's very bougie. And up here, you have a thing to adjust camber.
Oh, is that for the other side?
Yep, that's for both sides.
Thing in operation, the bone that no one wants to get.
The wishbone.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. It was like wishbone. Nice. Yeah, you've been banned from knife usage, so I'm gonna go ahead and. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Right.
Ooh. Ooh. This is good Christmas. This is nice.
Oh my God.
Yo, you got an air freshener? We definitely need that. 2 air fresheners, they know.
It's like Christmas.
Ooh, look at it. Oh, look, we got some merch.
What?
Look at that. Merry Christmas.
This is literally like Christmas. This is so cute.
Yeah, buddy.
It's so cute.
Dang, you got a shirt, stickers, and an air freshener, and coilovers, and upper control arms, and a lower ball joint. What is this? Oh yeah, please don't make a mess with this. Oh, rip one out for me, and then we'll keep them in the box until we actually use them. But look at that. Look at that little mini boy. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if that's the front or the back. That's actually front.
Even smaller.
That's even smaller. Oh, that's probably the back. Look at how little it is. It's upside down. This is the last thing your car technically needs, aside from me fixing a few things, but. You can do a few donuts in the driveway first before you go out.
That'll be a good way to
All right.
how to drive.
Day 2. While you were gone, I kind of fixed everything on this side, except for the tie rod. So now you have a whole new upper control arm. I put this side coilover on just to make sure it lined up, because I mean, the last thing I wanted is for you to show up today and it just like not work. That would suck. I got a new spindle for Jeryn, so that's a whole new OEM spindle, new upper control arm. I got a new tie rod. I had kind of an issue with that, and then everything else is re-linked now. And so I'm gonna go through and I'll re-tighten everything and make sure everything's really good, but this side's good to go. This side could probably drop. I just need to put the brake back on and it'll be good to go on the road.
No more ka-chow.
No more ka-chow. Sorry. Thankfully, this is the easiest car in the world for coilovers. Like there are, literally Jeryn, there are 3 bolts per coilover. On this back here, there are 2 on the top inside of the trunk. And then there's 1, you can come back through here, I'll lift the car up a little bit. See this 1 big bolt right there? That's the other bolt. So it's 3 bolts. Really not that hard. Everything on the car that was broken is now not broken anymore. So technically it's fixed. Now we're just modifying it. So You can do what you want with that. Or you know what, you can even put it on your dash. There you can put it there for now because we're gonna change the steering wheel out. There you go. A lot of people say like, oh, Godspeed, upper control arm, your car's gonna blah, 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 blah. Guys, anytime you have an upper control arm with a ball joint that has adjustable camber on it, they're always sketchy if you don't pay attention to them. So on the bottom side of this, there's little bolts that loosen up that you can actually move this forward and backwards to give you more or less negative camber. Those eventually over time can back out, so as long as I'm checking them for you, as long as you check them, then it's no problem. But some people are like, oh, they'll break, the blah, blah, blah. It's because they drive 15,000 miles on them and don't look at them ever again. You got it. Yeah, look how, that's so heavy, right? You're so impressive. Okay, so how this works, so you can get the bottom of the top out first, but you see how the top kind of goes up into the body right there. You're gonna pop the trunk and you'll probably have to take a little bit of carpet out, but there'll be 2 bolts up top that you just undo it, and so it'll be unlatched from the body. And then on the bottom right here, that's gonna be a 17 millimeter. It's literally 1 bolt right there. So I'm gonna let you try and mess with the rears first. To open the trunk on this boy, you gotta open up the center console. There's a little button on your side. Oh, you got it. I know you got it.
Oh. Wait, no. What?
I know you got it.
What? Where is it?
It's a little button. It's a little button thing.
I see no button.
It's a lever type button thing. There you go, you got it.
Why is it open like that? That's weird.
All right, pull the thing that says trunk. There you go, like that. Hey, no stinkies back here. That's nice. Wow, you actually have the original spare tire. Oh, we need some, well, there's some biohazard back here. Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, I think that's a donut. Open it, open it. That's mold. That's moldy as hell. Oh, that's disgusting. Nope. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Yeah, why would you put a donut in your trunk? Who does that? I don't know, yeah, after she did yoga and lifted her 5-pound weights, maybe she was just planning on a nice. Okay, so we got the trunk apart. We've got the top side of the top hat exposed over here. And I definitely forgot that it was behind the gas lines on this side, so I'll probably help you or you can figure it out. I got some pretty special tools to make this work just fine. So got that. Try and do that side first, like the side you're on right now. Hit that bolt right there that has that's like in. Yeah. Is that left?
Yes.
Nice. Pull the trigger. There you go. Don't lose that washer. Now you're done for the bottom. You see how it's disconnected now? It's really that easy. Go ahead and take this guy and reach those 2 14 millimeter bolts on this side so it can drop out. Take her it. Nice. And so you want to see something really funny? We're gonna compare that to the, look, compare, lay it on the ground. Lay yours right next to the new one.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's tiny.
These cars like monster truck it. These cars were like really raised from factory, and I guess like late 80s they didn't really prioritize that, and they kept the same suspension in them all the way to the mid 2000s. But yeah, they just kind of like left them monster truck status, and like this isn't even like slammed, honestly. Wasn't that easy though?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. Oh, this has been recording for like an hour. Nice. Yep. Oops. Rear is done. We can go ahead and put those on now. Let's go ahead and put these guys on. Look at that little boy. That's nice.
It's like a family.
It's a nice family. You're going to line these holes up, and I'm gonna screw these in for you on the top. Scoop it up there. There you go. Make sure both holes line up. All right, hold it there. Push it, push it, push it, push it. There you go. So in some cars, you can do the top first or the bottom first. This one's so simple that honestly you can do either. Now what we gotta do in order for this to line up down here, I got this jack stand. I'm gonna lower the lift, and as it hits that jack stand, that suspension's gonna compress back up. Now that you've lined it up, hit it. A little more. Nice. Money. See, look how much lower it is already in the air. Oh, it's so low that you're gonna have to use ramps. The lift is touching the ground right now, and your tires still aren't touching the ground. All the way down. Nice. A lot of people wanted to know what it sounded like when it was raining in here. There you go. It's loud. Also, I ripped my pants today. There you go, right there. Pants are temporary. The Shanks squat is forever. Nope, they're holding strong right now. It's whenever I do the slop squat is whenever it's really like bad. Oh. Okay, so I'm getting started over here. I'm getting the upper control arm first. Thankfully, this one like cooperated. Oh, I forgot the upper control arm. The OE upper control arm has to come out when the coilover or the suspension does. So, all right, Jeryn, we gotta get this springy boy out. Well, there's that. Welp, there we go. I ended up having to do it. Everything lines up fine, but I had to use, what would you say? Blunt force to get everything. Brutality.
That's better.
To get everything in. But the front's in, all four corners are done. All four, you actually have all suspension. Oh yeah, let me show you how bent it was. This is supposed to be straight. That is supposed to be completely straight. Look, the threads.
That's so sad.
Yeah, it's very, but yeah, it's it was definitely not the easiest thing to get out because I had to like finagle the threads. So you see this very straight piece right here? Yeah. That's what it's supposed to look like. And so what that does, that connects to your steering rack, and then whenever you turn the wheel left and right, that goes in and out of the steering rack. This piece allows your car to steer. So I've got to replace that on the other side, which I have a brand new one for you. These wheels should work. I don't think the other one's actually bent. I have wheels for you we can use, but we just need to get that fendy back on all the way now. We can probably just run no bumper for a second because your body kit's gonna get here like tomorrow, I think. Yeah, are you about ready to drive this thing? Yes, you are. You're gonna be so excited.
I'm scared.
I ain't never seen anybody with bigger wrenches than me. I ain't never seen two pretty big wrenches.
It's always one of them gotta be small and ugly. It's a really big wrench, actually.
This isn't even the biggest one. I got bigger than this. This is nice. This is nice. Okay. We good?
I really wanted to get you in that one.
Huh?
I really wanted to get your face on that one.
We're good. Let's go ahead and put the pine cone. You call it the pine cone. We'll put the pine cone over that. So this is how you would adjust your alignment. You know what camber is, right?
Yes.
This little bar can slide forward and backwards. That will make the top of the wheel go in and out. This is how, so there's camber and then there's toe. It's like when your car's driving straight, sometimes your wheels can be turned like this or like this instead of up or down. You don't want any toe really. So you want zero toe. Yeah, like you have toe in. That's called toe in. That's toe out. That's toe out. That's what that is.
See how far I can go.
Whoa, you got some. You're just driving sideways. Alright, your tie rod's on. You can steer.
Would you like me to straighten it out or just
Sure,
put it
why
down?
don't you go ahead and do that?
I will straighten it out.
Alright. Brakes are on, Jeryn. This. Your car is done.
Is that it?
It's done.
This is a magical moment.
It is.
I'm so glad I could
I'm gonna
witness
put the
it.
wheels back on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need to align it and stuff still. But next video we can take it for a test drive.
I'm scared.
She about to hit the ground for the first time. She about to hit the floor. She about to be low. Jeryn.
So much lower.
It's fixed. Yeah, it's so low. It's nice. Whoa.
So nice.
I'll probably take her for a rip and make sure she's safe before. Bro, look, it's a Miata. It's a Miata. We fixed it. Boom, put it here, sis. Isn't it so nice how much lower it is, dude? Wow. No more ka-chow. We gotta go ahead and make sure this this fender fitment gets a little bit better because it needs to be pushed in a little bit. Ha ha! It's not stinky and it's not broken no more. Now this is your Miata. This is probably a little better to soak in.
It is. This is your 18th.
This is a full Miata. Happy birthday. Happy 18th. Full Miat. Man. So after doing the upper control arms and a lot of other suspension things, it's ready to hit the road. I'll make sure I do some donuts and stuff in it, and then I'll have you change the oil. You'll learn to change the oil. I'll probably have you change the spark plugs too. Stinky hug.
Oh,
Stinky hug. I am, yeah, buddy. Plug her up to charge for next time. So red goes to positive terminal. Positive is the big one on the left, yes. So you just clamp it. Black to the negative. You can clamp it to any piece of the metal. So even the nut, even the bolt over there, you have 9.7 volts. Now you're gonna charge it. And next time we're here, she'll start right up and we'll roll away. Have you learned a decent amount at all? You have learned? Don't be scared to tackle things, guys. It's easy. I learned because when I was her age, I just went for it, and it took a lot of years of hating the process of it. But I mean, just jumping in and just learning that's all. That's literally what it takes. Get your hands dirty and figure it out. Or you can wear gloves sometimes too. But I recommend you guys to just try something. I'll advise you to just try something. Do that thing you've been wanting to try, and put all your effort into it. It's very important. You just believe in yourself and get it done. Peace. Hey, I got 2 videos for you guys to watch. Click on one of them 2 videos or both of them and subscribe. Peace.